Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning and gorgeous designs of crochet, many things of crochet flowers designs. Crochet flowers ideas, keep watching and stay, will be amazing and fabulous designs of gorgeous designs ideas and different perfectly designs I have shared with you. एंड जो भी आप लोगों को डिज़ाइंस वगैरह दिखाए जाते हैं आप सबकी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग होते हैं। आप लोग उन डिज़ाइंस वगैरह को देखा करें, कैप्चर करें ताकि आप लोग हर डिज़ाइंस को इजीली सॉर्ट आउट कर पाएँ। और एंड आई हैव मोर फैंटास्टिक वीडियोस, फैंटास्टिक डिज़ाइंस, सो आई विल मोर फैंटास्टिक आइडियाज़। एंड जो भी आप लोगों को डिज़ाइंस वगैरह दिखाए जाते हैं आप सबकी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग हैं। और इस तरह के डिज़ाइंस वगैरह को आप लोग कैप्चर करना, शेयर करना हरगिज़ मत भूलिएगा। I have more fantastic videos. You look be very connected and amazing videos of crochet, different patterns of crochet, amazing ideas and more fantastic videos. You look be very gorgeous, you look be very connected, more fantastic ideas. Keep watching and stay will be connected. I have more fantastic ideas and amazingly videos of different amazing ideas and keep watching and stay will be amazing. I have shared with you. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegance and more gorgeous videos, more fantastic designs, ideas. This is amazing, this is gorgeous videos, so I will more fantastic videos, so amazingly designed ideas. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. So keep watching and stay will be amazing. I have shared with more different amazing ideas. Let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. May Allah keep loving, keep smiling, keep sharing in this same way. Ameen. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.